Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hansen Prezi. On this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add withdrawal mode on your Tango app. If you want to know how to add withdrawal mode on your Tango app, sit tight and watch this video to the very end. All you need to do here is to log in your account. On your account like this, you click on the profile. On your profile on the top of your screen, you can see the avatar. Click on it. You scroll down until you get to get money. You click on it. On you get money, you can see add withdrawal mode. Click on add withdrawal mode. Then here you can now see bank transfer, visa and others. All you need to do here now is to add your withdrawal, add the mode you want to use. If you add the mode you want to use, then you can now withdraw your earnings from Tango app. But before you can withdraw your money, you have to reach up to 3,000 diamonds before you can withdraw your money on Tango app. So guys, that's it. We have come to the very end of this video. If you found this video useful, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a like. See you guys in my next video. Bye.